Hello guys, I am Archicad. Here is the Easy Archicad channel. First of all, please subscribe this channel to motivate and support me to share you some videos to learn Archicad. Archicad is a very powerful software. It's very easy to learn and it's very fast for modeling. By Archicad you can model and provide essential information about your project in the same time. Archicad is a BIM software. BIM means Building Information Modeling or BIM modeling. This title is increasingly important among architecture and engineers because with BIM software you can model your project in a very short time and preparing essential information about your project, including BOQ and estimations, legends and details. So because of this, Archicad is a useful software. Within Archicad you can model your project, including structural modeling, architectural, electrical, plumbing, mapping, documenting, 3D visualization, everything you can do with Archicad about your project. So in this video I am going to start modeling of a project in Archicad and how we start modeling of a project in Archicad. Very easy and fast. The first step is that you should go to the option menu here, project reference, set your unit, working unit. I put here centimeter. You can set this option based on your project or according to your interest. So I choose the centimeter. Then press Ctrl+1, open this window. This window, name it story setting. Determine the number of your story. For example, I need 4 story here like this and 1 story here. Insert the bill is for foundations. You can change the height of every story from here. It is the total height, and here the height of every story. For example, I put here 75 and I change this one to 250. Press OK. You set your unit very easy. So another important thing is that before you start the modeling of your project, you should have the handy sketch of your project. For example, I have here the handy sketch of my project. In every software, before you start your modeling, you must have the handy sketch of your project like this. Here I already have the position of every column, the rooms and walls, and vertical distance and horizontal distance. Obviously and clearly I have here. So if you have the handy sketch of your project like this, you can start your modeling very easy. So come to Archicad here, and the very important step for modeling is grid system, because in grid system you can create your beam and column here. So in the first option I have 2 important options here, rectangular grid system and circular. This belongs to your project. As you can see here, obviously my project is rectangular, not circular. Then I select this one. Here, if you tick this option, you can create a column in every intersection of the grid lines. So which type of column you can edit and modify from here. I need the column 35 by 35. Just press this one. This automatically set. Then come here and set the position of the column. So before you set this unit, it's better for you to go to the ground floor. It's very better and easy. So Then come to the grid system, take this one and modify from here, put 35 from here, and then set here the position of the column. For example, the column should start from here and reach to the fourth story. It's okay, and put 0 here, and because I want to be connect my column to every story. There is no any distance between the column and my stories. So come here and specify the material for your column, reinforced structural, reinforced concrete structure. It's okay for my project. And then come to here. You can define the outside material or the outside core of your column. For example, I put here concrete 04. It's separate from this one. It's the main material for your column. It's only the surface or the outside core of your column. Then press the OK. So check this one in every grid line are create as a beam. Which type of beam you can modify from here. The height of beam is okay, and the weight of our beam should match to our column 35. It's okay. Then come here, put here 30 according to our story height. And here the material is okay. Just model active every side of your beam. Then press this one. Change one of them. For example, it's the outside core of our beam, concrete 04, as we used in column. We used in beam also. Press OK. Then check this one and this one. It's the dimension line, and it's the total dimension. As you can see here, here's the dimension line, total dimension. You can specify the title dimension. Let's belong to our grid system, our grid setting. We can modify our grid, like our grid line must be this type of line, dashed, dot, and dashed line. The color is okay. It's used for floor. Look at this option, show on story. You should set that this one, home story. It's the better option. Never choose this one, all the story, because it makes some problem for you. And then come to the section. Here also you should choose this one. It's okay. And here you can close this window. In this tab you can specify which side of your project must have the grid systems. For example, in the bottom and left side of my project is F. You can define in every side of your project the grid system, but 2 sides is okay. Then come here. Here we have for horizontal grid, capital letters A, B, C. For vertical grid we have the numbers. It's okay based on architecture standard, as you know very well. Then come here. It is a very important step for your modeling, because here you can enter the distance. As I said earlier, you must have the handy sketch of your project like this. We should start the enter of this number and this number here. Here is the horizontal distance, and here we have the vertical distance. So let's start. It is the start point. There is no plus to enter the numbers, but in B we have this number. For example, it's A, it's the start point, but in B we have this distance 535. In C 535, in D 385. For example, 535, also 535, 385. Let's check one more time. Yes, that's okay. And there is no need to this option. We haven't E grades. Then you can remove where is it from here. So come to the vertical distance and enter. It's 1. It's the start point. There's no plus to enter the number. So you can enter in 3, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. For example, it's the start point. Then we have this distance, this one, this one, this one, this one up to here. So 335, 335, 435, 435. Okay, I memorize it. I'm sorry, I forget it. 335. 335. 335 and 435, but we need another one here, 5 and 6. So we should create another grid line here by this one. Okay, and put 285 like this number. It's okay. I enter that horizontal distance here and vertical distance here. It's very easy and fast. Then press the OK. As you can see, our grid system created, but it's in our hand. Click in the inside of these cameras in the viewport. Click here, then press the shift like this. Click. As you can see, we have the distance, total dimension, the dimensions, and everything about our project clearly here. So here is another thing that we should modify, is that in every intersection of the grid line, it put for us the column. If there is a column, also we have the beam. So as you can see clearly in our handy sketch, here is an intersection that we don't have the column. For example, here, 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 and maybe here, and if we continue this thing here. So we should remove some column from here. For example, this one. Remove this one also. This one. And this one. So it's belong to our project. Then remove this one and this one. Here we don't need this one as well. So if we haven't any column here, then we haven't any beams clearly. So you can modify the beam where it is like this. No, sorry guys, here's the mistakes. Look at this. We mistakenly remove a column from here. We have a column here, but what should we do? Please select this column, right click, move, drag a copy, and take from center of this column, geometric center, and put right here. It's okay. Make a copy. So then you can modify your beam. For example, if you select that beam, here is a different option. You have a different option. You must choose this one to modify. For example, here and here. Also this one, this one, and it's okay. As you can see very well, we do our grid system and we have the structural modeling of our project. Then we should go to the foundation. As you can see here, we need a foundation here. Go to this story. As you can see very well, there is no column because when we want to create the foundation, we should see the columns because the column is connected to the foundations. For example, select all of the column from here and come to the positions there. It's nothing, it's a little mistake. We should put 0 and connect to story 4, and here we define the story 1 is our foundations. So press the OK. As you can see very well, a little change happened for our column, doesn't matter. Then we select the beams ground floor, it's okay. Or something look wrong, Control T, story 3, 4. Okay, this one is okay. So also we need this 4 column to it's okay now. Then come here, we have the column. So if we have the column, we should go to the here for creating the foundations. Profile, we need a new profile, and by the name is foundation. What happened? Foundation is okay, guys. Foundation. So we need a sketch or the section of our foundations like this. We should define a section for our foundations. The foundation that we will use for this project is strip footing. Strip footing, we should define the sections like this. Start from here, you can choose this one, 50, enter, and come to here 35. Also 35 here 35. Let's shift or hold shift like this. We have here the height 85, 105. So we should change the material, structural reinforced concrete, as we used in our column and our beam. So it's okay. Then move this one up to here because recognizing the reference line, because this sign can define our reference lines when we draw the and when we draw or create our foundations, it can be our reference line. It doesn't for you, you can put this one in everywhere. So save this one and close. Come to Control +7 and change it to 85 based on the height of your foundations here. Press OK. Then go to the wall. Here we have different section of wall. We should choose the foundation that we created before. Where is the no foundation? Here we have the foundations, and you can create you can change the reference lines. As you can see, the reference line is right here. Okay. Here you should draw very precisely your foundation like this. First, okay. Also, we need the foundation right here up to here. It's okay. Also there. I think no, it's okay. Just check the column and beams. It's not okay. We should change this one. It's through foundation. It's because it's more secure and safe than separate or individual foundation. We can recreate the functions. Look at this one. It's very simple and easy. Then select all foundation that you used here. Press shift and select all of the foundations like this. And this one. Control T. Press Control with T. Here. Active this one. So concrete 04 is should use for this one. Concrete 04 here. It's okay. As you can see, we create the foundation very simple and easy here. It's okay for today. We can also create our slab and our beams. We should modify our beam. We should copy our beam in every story. So come here. In this story, we need to separate this beam and this beam because it's okay only this beam because it's the beam for a stair. So come to here, tap on this option, and split. Before you select the split, you select your beam here and here. As you can see, I separate this beam because I don't want to copy this beam. Then create a slab here. It's where it is like this. This is our slab. Select this one and come to the control. It's okay. Just put here and come to the 3D. This for our ground floor. It's okay. Select one beam. Control F. And here should select the beam. Press the plus. As you can see, we select all of our beam. Press the shift, select this beam to unselect to this way. So we have all of our beam here. I forget something. Before we do this step, we should copy this slab in every story. For example, select this one, right click, move, and copy. Select this one, drag and multiply, copy. Here, 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 and here. So come to 3D view and select the beam, Ctrl F. As you can see, we selected before the beam, press plus and hold the shift, select this beam because I don't want to copy this beam. Yes. So then right click, move, drag and multiply, copy. So you can choose from this corner up to this corner. Here and here. It's okay. As you can see, we can create our beam all story. Then come here. As you can see, we don't have any beam. We should make this distance 150. We should come here. Then we can copy this one to all stories like this. Move, select from this story here, and very easy guys, here and okay guys, it's enough for today. I will see you in next tutorial or in next videos. I will continue this project from 0 to 100. In the next video we'll create slabs, stairs and wall windows. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel to share you some more videos.